All right, so I'm back, y'all, with another YouTube video on the Honda boys. So I told y'all last video I got me a PRL intake, and that's exactly what I did, which I have right here. Give me 1 second. So right here, PRL Motorsports. So got the intake tube. Also came with their air filter and hose clamps, which is really all I need. So look at that. They also throw in a couple of stickers, you know. Shout out to PRL Motorsports. Seen a couple other things on their website too, you know. Might just you know, cop something else. But yeah, so PRL Motorsports, you got any Hondas and stuff like that, they hook y'all up with some parts for your cars. So pretty straightforward. Literally gonna take this off, replace it with this, put that air filter in here, and yeah, just that easy. Literally just take this off. The piece, that piece is in here. I got another one of those. Then that's it. I mean, you replace this, just simple, you know, quick swap. I'm gonna show y'all a before and after of revving the car, what it sounds like, stock, factory. I haven't touched anything, factory air filter, factory everything. And then I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like with the PRL Motorsports stage 1 intake. So this is for 2018 plus. So mine's a 21 Accord. So yeah, I'm gonna hop inside real quick and show y'all a couple of revs and just to see what it sounds like for y'all. So all right, so what I just showed y'all, that was the before I've done anything to the car. So now I'm gonna just get to the install and show y'all what I got to do to make it sound a little bit better, hopefully. I mean, from what I've seen, it makes it sound a whole lot better. So we'll see here in a second. So you can hold this, please, for me. And my tools here. Should be a pretty straightforward install, nothing too crazy. Literally just gonna loosen up that clamp and this outside clamp. Oh, don't fight me. There we go, there we go. Woo, thought I was fixing to strip this already. Would not have been good. Would not have been good. Alright, so got those two loose. Take my pliers here. Now, I don't know if this voids any warranty. Just letting y'all know, I have no clue. Really hoping it doesn't. For anyone that has done this and knows, if y'all could let me know. I don't think it would. I mean, if anything were to happen, I could honestly just throw this factory stuff back on. So I'm not really too worried about it. So, that goes up top. That goes below. Move those out the way. Stay there. I don't know how to get this piece off, to be honest with y'all. It honestly looks like it's broken off, but I can't tell. I can't tell. Alright, so I basically just, you gotta wiggle it off. I guess they broke that piece off because, like, that one's different from all the rest of them. That one's, there's no screw for that. Luckily, it comes with all new hose clamps, so I'm not too worried about that. So just that easy. I mean, that's off. While I'm here, might as well undo this, pull that off. Ooh, full of pollen, nasty. Let's see. So I might as well go ahead and throw this air filter in right here. It's like, this is like basically like a Canon air filter, same concept. It's just a different color. So, yeah. Different color, same concept. Go ahead and just throw that right on in there. Like that. Line. Oh, you gonna fight me, huh? Oh, that's why. Oh, hold on. Huh. Wrong way. Rookie mistake. There we go. We are amateurs out here, no professionals here. Okay, so as easy as that. So, all right, right here we got the piece that replaces. So basically, they sent a new one of these because this is bolted on, but this just fits in, does the exact same thing. That's really all it is. It's just that. So that will go on to this tube. So yeah, right there, PRL Motorsports. So let me hose clamp this in and figure out which way it's oriented. I'm guessing just like that. I mean, I guess I could spin it around a little bit before I clamp it all the way down, but yeah, so that. Like, just so y'all know, if y'all heard my mom in the background, she didn't know I was making a video. So, yeah, 2 hose clamps for the big, this small one, and then this one should go around this. Got to make this a little bit. Okay, so I almost got this back in. So down to this part, got this hose clamp on there, well, just loose. That's loose. This is the only one I've tightened up so far, but got this on. Like I said, I actually had to take this back off to slide this in because this is a lot tougher, or more, yeah, basically tougher than this one is because it's solid. So I'm gonna finish tightening up these hose clamps real quick and tighten up all these, and then I'm gonna show y'all how the engine sounds revving it up with the new PRL Motorsports intake on. So once again, this is a stage one intake, and the revs that I was doing about 3,000 to 4,000 just revving it. I'm gonna do the same thing over again and record that and show y'all the difference. But yeah, it's just that simple. Like I said, just this replaced, put this on there, new filter in the box, and it's as easy as that. So let me finish up tightening this up real quick. I'm trying to make sure it's all sealed properly, how it should be. And once again, I mean, this is for 2018s and above with the 2.0 turbo. Just like that, nice and solid. So this one's gonna go back up here, and I'm gonna go right back here, put them back in their little slots where they go so they don't move around. That and that. And like, I gotta tighten this one up too, but where my pliers at? Well, I'm at, might as well. I'll go ahead and slide these over back to where they went. So this one should go somewhere right Let's see if I can't line this up. So right there. This one should go right there. My screwdriver. And just tighten this one up. And so this last one I need to tighten up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how this sounds with this new intake on there. Really hoping it sounds somewhat different. About to stab my finger. Dumb flathead screwdrivers. Whoever invented this, I don't understand. Phillips head's far more superior. So let's say so. That's tight. That's tight. That clamp's tight. That's tight. Got my airbox closed back up. Let me put this on its back on its studs. Don't want that flying off while I'm going down the road. Okay. So yeah, PRL Motorsports, and it wasn't very expensive either. Right at like 130 bucks for this and the air filter, plus the clamps and stuff, you know, and you get a couple free stickers, so you know that's always a plus. But yeah, just that easy like that. So I'm gonna show y'all this next clip. I'm gonna show y'all the revving with this new setup. So I'll be back. So there y'all have it. That clip that y'all just seen was with the new PRL Motorsports intake. So stage 1, 2018 and above, real easy to install, relatively cheap in my opinion. I mean, that's easy little upgrade mod that you can add to it, and it makes it sound a whole lot better. As y'all can tell, definitely more intake sounds than the stock. Definitely hear the blow off valve go off now. I was actually thinking about getting a blow off. I mean, I don't even think I need one now because it sounds like that. So I think I'm satisfied with how it sounds. Probably gonna go rip it around here later, but you won't be able to hear too much, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. But yeah, that's what it sounds like now. So I got chrome delete coming in too, so should delete all this, should delete all the door chrome. And then I also have that front lip coming in too. So front lip, chrome delete, and that's about all I have on the way right now that I can think of. Might do a couple of, once I get the front lip, actually have some underglow lights. So I might actually show y'all how to do some underglow lights on this thing, how I'm gonna do it at least. Because I think it'd be pretty cool to have some underglow. I had some underglow on one of my other cars and I loved it. Riding around at night with the underglow, I think, you know, everyone's always looking at you. So probably sometime this week or next week I am going to get tint on here, because right now I am very fishbowl and I do not like that. So probably going to do that sometime this week all the way around. So yeah, I guess until my next video, until these parts come in, so hopefully soon. So hopefully next video by next week. So that's my goal, one video a week. So I guess until then I will see y'all later. So